is Math Jazz from Almost Cool. I have here a modeling problem for you. Here's the statement. Suppose that you have a rectangular piece of cardboard of width 24 and length 16, and you cut squares of side length x out of each corner so that the resulting piece of cardboard can be folded into a box. A. Give a function for the volume of the box in terms of x. B. What is the domain of this function? You should pause the video now if you want to solve this on your own, because here comes the solution. A. First, we're going to draw a diagram for this problem. On the left side is a diagram of the original piece of cardboard with the cuts placed into it, and on the right is a diagram of the folded box. The height of the box is x because the sides of the square that we cut out are length x. As you see, as we kind of take that picture in our mind and fold the tabs up, we can see that side length of x becomes the height of the box. So the question becomes, what are the sides of this box? And the answer is that, well, the side of a box is going to be 2x less than the original side of the piece of cardboard. So one of these sides is going to be 16 minus 2x, and the other side is going to be 24 minus 2x. And so now we have all three of the relevant dimensions for this box: height of x, width of 16 minus 2x, and depth of 24 minus 2x. So the product of these things is the volume, and we have that written here. If we want to write this as a function, we get v of x, that is volume of x, is equal to x times 24 minus 2x times 16 minus 2x. So this is our function. And part B was, well, what is the domain of this thing? Since we can't cut out 0 or less than 0 and get a box, the domain of this function cannot include 0 or negative numbers. Further, since there are only 16 units of length on the short side of the rectangle of cardboard we started with, we can't cut out more than 16 units of length from this box, and since we're cutting twice, that means that we can only cut out up to 8 units of length. So we cannot let x be 8 or larger than 8. So the domain of this function is 0 to 8 with parentheses. We're marking this with parentheses to show that we are not including the endpoints of this problem. The endpoints of this range. X can be anything down to 0, but not including 0, and anything up to 8, but not including 8. If we were to include the endpoints, we'd use square brackets instead of parentheses. So that is our problem for today. Thank you. Have a great day. And if you want to email me with suggestions for future topics, my email address is mathjazz9@gmail.com. It's also on the title pages of this video and in the description down below. Have a great day. Bye.